So this is a video for those of you that have an Evo 4 to 6 and are looking to get rid of that hideous AC line that wraps around here and around the right side of the heat shield. Now that's completely gone, but I still have air conditioning. Why? Because this hose right over here is from an Evo 8 to 9, got it from Rock Auto for cheap, and where the stud goes through, where the gold nut is, you have to drill that out 2 sizes up. So I think I drilled it for an M8, and the stud goes right through it. No other altercations whatsoever. Instead of looping up, it instead loops down, as you can see down there, and loops around and goes right to the front of the compressor right over there. Now, the only concern was that it does hang a little low on the bottom side of the car, so you just have to sort of finesse the hose, angle it around a little bit. It's okay to flex it, and I got it tucked up nicely. It has never caused me any issues, so I'm just gonna show you that. Anyways, there it is. There's the bottom of the hose. So I haven't had any issues, and it's not the lowest sitting part of the car, so it's a recommendation that I have for all of you with the Evo 4 to 6.